Ever found yourself staring at an invoice in Jobber, thinking, there has to be an easier way to give my awesome customers a discount? If so, you're in the right place. We've all been there. Maybe it's a loyal customer appreciation, a seasonal promotion, or simply a little goodwill gesture. Whatever the reason, applying a discount efficiently in your job management software is crucial for smooth operations and happy clients. And let's be honest, fumbling around trying to figure out where to click isn't anyone's idea of a good time, especially when you're trying to get that invoice out the door. So, how exactly do you add a discount in Jobber? It's a question that pops up a lot, and for good reason. Jobber is designed to streamline your workflow, and that includes managing your pricing with flexibility. Today, we're going to dive deep into the various ways you can apply discounts within Jobber, covering everything from simple percentage-based reductions to fixed amounts, and even how to handle discounts on specific line items versus the entire job. By the end of this video, you'll be a discount-adding pro, confidently navigating Jobber's features to keep your customers smiling and your books balanced. Let's start with the most common scenario: applying a discount to an entire invoice or quote. This is probably what comes to mind when you first think about offering a discount. Jobber makes this incredibly straightforward. When you're viewing an invoice or quote, you'll notice a section dedicated to the total amount. Right next to this, or sometimes slightly below, you'll see an option to add discount. Clicking this will open up a small pop-up or drop-down where you can specify the type of discount you want to apply. You'll typically have two main options here: a percentage-based discount or a fixed amount discount. Let's say you want to give a 10% discount for a first-time customer. You'd select the percentage option, enter 10 in the value field, and Jobber will automatically calculate and display the discounted total. It's instantaneous, clear, and takes the guesswork out of mental math. Similarly, if you want to offer a flat $50 discount, you'd choose the fixed amount option, input 50, and Jobber handles the rest. This method is fantastic for quick, overarching reductions that apply to the entire scope of work. But what if you only want to discount part of a job? Perhaps you're offering a special on a specific service, or you're giving a break on materials but not labor. Jobber has you covered there too, with the ability to apply discounts at the line item level. This is where things get a little more granular and powerful. When you're building out a quote or an invoice in Jobber, you list individual services or products as line items. Each line item has its own quantity, unit price, and total. To apply a discount to a specific line item, you'll need to edit that particular item. Look for an edit or modify icon next to the line item, often a pencil icon. Clicking this will allow you to adjust various aspects of that item, and within these options you'll find the discount field. Similar to the overall invoice discount, you can typically choose between a percentage or a fixed amount for that specific line item. Imagine you're charging for spring cleanup and window washing. You might decide to offer 20% off the window washing service as a seasonal promotion. You'd edit the window washing line item, apply the 20% discount, and that discount will only affect the cost of window washing, leaving the spring cleanup at its original price. This level of detail allows for incredible flexibility in your pricing strategies, enabling you to tailor discounts to specific services or products without affecting the entire job. Now, let's talk about a few considerations and best practices when adding discounts in Jobber. Firstly, clarity is key. While Jobber clearly displays the original price, the discount, and the new total, it's always a good idea to communicate the discount explicitly to your customer, perhaps in the invoice notes or verbally. This builds trust and ensures there are no surprises. Secondly, think about the reason for the discount. Is it a recurring customer loyalty discount? A referral bonus? A promotional offer? Jobber's tagging and custom field features can be incredibly useful here. While not directly related to applying the discount, you could use these features to track why a discount was given, which can be invaluable for analyzing your pricing strategies and understanding customer behavior. For instance, you could add a tag like loyalty discount or spring promo to the job. Thirdly, consider your profit margins. While discounts are great for attracting and retaining customers, you need to ensure they don't eat too deeply into your profitability. Before offering a discount, have a clear understanding of your costs and desired profit margin. Jobber provides excellent reporting tools that can help you track your revenue and expenses, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions about your pricing. Regularly reviewing these reports will help you understand the impact of your discounts on your overall business health. Finally, remember that discounts aren't just about lowering prices. They can also be a powerful marketing tool. Think about how you can leverage discounts to achieve specific business goals. Want to fill up your schedule during a slow period? Offer a time-limited discount. Want to encourage larger jobs? Offer a tiered discount based on the total value of the service. Jobber's flexibility in applying discounts empowers you to implement these strategies effectively. In summary, adding a discount in Jobber is a straightforward process. Whether you're applying it to an entire invoice or a specific line item, you have the choice between percentage-based and fixed-amount discounts, giving you the control you need to manage your pricing with precision. By understanding these features and applying them strategically, you can enhance customer satisfaction, drive sales, and ultimately, grow your business. Jobber simplifies what could otherwise be a complex task, allowing you to focus on what you do best, delivering exceptional service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.